Good afternoon, Indira Shah here. Today I'll show you how to make chiroti in a very easy method. Okay? For making chiroti, you need required chiroti rava. This is also called as Bombay rava. See, chiroti rava will be very fine. You can see how fine it is. Okay? It will be like a flour, I can say, very fine. So I have taken 1 cup of chiroti rava. For 1 cup of chiroti rava, you need 2 full spoons of ghee. Yeah, 2 full spoons of ghee. So add little water and make a tight dough. Here, I have made a tight dough like this, and then you have to soak the dough for about 3 hours at least. Okay? You have to soak the dough for 3 hours. In the meantime, after making chiroti, you have to dip them in the badam milk. Usually on the chiroti they pour badam milk. For badam milk, I have taken the cow's milk. Okay, cow's milk, and then you need here. This is cashew nut, badam, then sugar, and then this is saffron, and then elaichi. Just peel the elaichi, and then this you have to just dry fry it about 10 strands, I can say, and then fry these things also and make them not very big pieces, small pieces like this, and then powder the sugar. After doing it, now mix them in the milk. Here, this is the milk I have made. Okay, so this milk should be either cold or at room temperature. Okay, now I'll show you how to make badam. For making chiroti. Here, the dough is ready after soaking. Okay, now you have to take a spoon of rice flour and add ghee and just mix it and keep it. I'll show you what you actually need to do. I have made 3 equal parts. Okay, 3 equal parts of the dough. Now just roll the dough like this. One part you can take and then roll them. Then cut them into equal parts. If you want a very small chiroti, take this. Otherwise, you can just make 3 equal parts. Here, I have made 4 equal parts. Now what you do is, here, with the help of rice flour, make a chapati. You can even make a big chapati. I'll be making a small chirotis because it will be easy to eat. Now what you should do is, here, take this mixture here and spread it on the chapati. Here, you can use a brush, but then many times what happens when you use the brush, the ghee gets wasted. So it's better to use your fingers. This is the mixture of ghee and rice flour. Okay. Now take little again rice flour and then sprinkle here. Are you able to see? Just sprinkle. Now what you do is, here, you can just roll them like this. Okay. Roll them and then make a circle like this. Now press. Again press it. Now again you should flatten them. Okay. Again you can flatten them, because if you repeat this twice, thrice, when you make chiroti, you get very fine layers. Okay. Now again I'll add this and then a little of this ghee paste. Now again fold them like this. Then you can cut it into 3 pieces. Okay? Here. I told you I'm making small chirotis. Yeah, just press them like this. In the meantime, I'll keep oil for heating because we have to deep fry it. See, let the thickness be this much. Okay, are you able to see the thickness? Okay. There's one more way of making. See, here I have taken 3 rotis. Now make 3 rotis. Here I have made 3 rotis. Now on the first one, you spread the paste. Spread it everywhere equally, okay, on the sides. Now sprinkle the rice flour. Now put the second roti here, and again, actually the second method gives you a very good layer when you fry them. Spread it equally on all the sides. Okay, now again sprinkle. Now place the third one. Now again on this you can spread the paste and sprinkle it. Now fold them here. Okay, after folding you cut them. This is another method. Okay, so 4 I have cut. Now see, keep it like this and press. Now you can make a puri here, a thick one. Okay, now we will deep fry this. Let me just drop it. Just press them. You can also fry them in ghee, but I am frying them in sunflower oil. Okay, the flame should be low. See, you can see the layers here. You can see the layers. And slowly turn it. This has to turn pink. Light pink. Can you see the layers here? Let's wait for it to turn pink. Here, let it turn brown. See, I am not adding soda at all. I have not added soda. If you add soda, it will just fluff up like a bun. So I don't want to add soda. So I can relish it like this. See. Can you see the layers here? Close up. Can you see the layers here? When it turns pink, just remove it. I'll show you how this is to be eaten. Here, the chiroti is ready. See, you can see the layers in everything. Okay? How you should eat is, I have purposely made small ones because it's easy to eat. If you add soda, you get a fluffy bun like. But I don't want to add soda. Without adding soda, I'll just show you how to eat. Here. And this is the badam milk that I have made. You can just put it on them like this. Now allow this to get immersed in this milk, and then after few minutes, see, you can just break it like this. Can you see? See, you can just eat it like this. If you want, you can just add bura sugar over this. Okay, see, let me eat this. It is yummy, out of the world. Trust me, this what do you call, chiroti is very, very tasty. You can certainly make this at home for the coming festival, Diwali, Christmas, or anything. So thank you very much for watching my YouTube channel in the name of Indira Shah. I am coming up with many more videos, which can be the delicious recipes. In fact, I am coming up with, you can easily make it at home. See, I'll just break it and show you. See, can you see the layers? You can even break it and then eat it. Trust me, this will be very, very tasty. Please subscribe my channel. Just pressing one button. It will not cost you anything, but it will certainly help me. So thank you very much. Bye bye. This is chiroti, a delicious one for the upcoming festival. You can certainly make it and surprise your family, friends and relatives. Thank you. Bye bye. This is Indira with Vela.